instead of carving pieces of yourself to exist in a white space, smash that cookie cutter door, kick your way in, because you need to exist in every space, and you will not actually be met with resistance. It's the barriers prior to entry that are the hard part. Once you're in, there's so few people who will say like, no. You'll show your exceptionality, you'll show your skill, you'll show your talent, you'll bring more talented, skilled, amazing people with you, and you'll change the space. But the barriers are so hard in the beginning. And so you really need to kind of amplify what you're good at, create a lane for yourself, stay in that lane, gain confidence through that lane, and then switch lanes and build confidence again. You know what I mean? It's really common to internalize limiting narratives, and that makes sense, but honoring how impossible the circumstances are and amplifying that you do succeed in insane, inhumane circumstances. And that in and of itself is a skill set you need to value for yourself. The funding bodies exist to fund. So why would they not fund you?